Hello, I'm going to talk about the range kingfisher, Spanish name Martín Pescador Collajero. Taxonomy Description: it measures 41 centimeters and weighs 290 grams. This bird is very large, conspicuous, bushy crest and long. Are blue-gray color. Are small, unmistakable, green, blue, and orange birds of slow-moving or still water. What they eat: this bird eats fish and aquatic insects. Range kingfisher are omnivore. Distribution: this species is common in the American tropics. Habitat: rivers, large streams, ponds, nests in banks. Common in areas where tall trees and brush border the river. Predators: foxes, snakes, raccoons. Reproduction: range kingfisher have a long breeding season. It is from March to July, and most of the pairs is having at least 2 broods and raising an average of 6 young in a year. This high reproductive rate permits them to bounce back from dips in their population, most of which follow hard winters. Feeding behavior: seeks its food mostly by perching high, usually 15 to 35 up higher than others, and washing the water when it spots a fish or other prey. They close to the surface and it plunged head first and catching the fish in its bill. Seldom hovers over the water before diving.
The King Vulture is a large heavy-bodied vulture with an approximate wingspan of 1.5 meters. The vulture is white and black on the end of the wings and the tail. There also is a dusky gray to blackish roof at the base of the neck. One of the most distinctive features of the adult is that it has vivid colors of reds, oranges, yellows, and purple, with a yellow or orange-red carbuncle at the base of the bill. These species can live 30 years in wilderness, and they are solitary birds. Sometimes they are in groups. Vultures lives predominantly in tropical lowland forests, stretching from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. In Costa Rica, you can find them in the Osas Peninsula, in Punta Arenas, Estación Biológica La Selva, which is part of the Caribbean forest, and Guanacaste lowland
Farmland
forests.
birds such as vultures and certain hawks sustain flight for long periods without flapping their wings. They take advantage of updraft produced when the wind blows over hills, allowing them to fly for hours and hours.
King vultures are generally not aggressive when feeding. They don't have olfactory sensors to locate carrion by smell. King vultures are unable to locate hidden food by smell.
Created using Powtoon.